This is number 10 on page 309 of our lesson 6-2, where we're asked to solve by factoring. So this is clearly a quadratic equation because it's degree 2. There is no greatest common factor, and the leading coefficient is 1. So I'm just going to factor this by unfoiling. I know that first times first has to equal x squared, so it makes sense that first I'll have x because x times x is x squared. I know that last times last has to equal negative 48. Well, you can only get a negative product when you multiply a positive by a negative. And then I know that when I add those numbers together, they must add up to negative 8. So factors of 48, let's see, that would be 6 and 8, that wouldn't work. 2 and 24, that wouldn't work. 4 and 12, that would work. If the 4 is positive and the 12 is negative, then when I multiply they equal negative 48, and when I add they equal negative 8. So to find my solutions, I set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. The factor on the left, I would just have to subtract 4 from both sides, and I get one solution equal to negative 4. And the factor on the right, I would add 12 to both sides, and I get the other solution equal to positive 12.